Hello everyone, my name is Juan Merlin, and I will be showing you my Project Wellness Center in different views. For my first view, I have my floor plan, where I have various rooms, programs like my receptionist, consultation room, therapy room, massage room 1 and 2, my sauna room, my bathroom, my locker rooms, gym, equipment room, staff lounge, and my office. And of course, my patio. Second view, I have my reflected ceiling plan, where I will have different ceiling heights and light fixtures in each room. For my section 1 and 2, I show my level and roof heights, along with human figures as a reference. Section 2, you can see my ceiling heights and see how some are lower and others are higher. For my elevation views, I have my east elevation, north, and my west elevation. On my east elevation, I show my main entrance window display, along with my canopy. North elevation, I included a human figure next to my exit door, just so you could see where my exit door is located. And for my west elevation, I show my patio with 3 different window displays, along with the entrance. Here I show my axonometric view, where you can have a clear view of the interior of my wellness center. I have my treatment rooms on the side and my main hallway down the middle. For my perspective views, I first have my main entrance view, where I will show my cash wrap along with the feature wall behind it. After you check in, you could go down the hallway into different types of treatment rooms. For my treatment room number 1, I will have my massage room, where I will include 2 massage beds next to the column. For my treatment room number 2, I will have my therapy room. I made it small since you will only need one guest to speak with a therapist. And I also added a outdoor view to have incoming sunlight to enter the room. Finally, my last perspective view is my patio, where I closed it up with railings. My and then I show my window display, where you can see my office and my staff lounge on the left, 2 windows. And on the far right window, I added a huge window since I wanted it to show my gym in the inside, and I wanted the people from the gym to see the outdoor patio. And yeah, that includes my presentation. Thank you guys for listening.